Hello, I'm Dawn Payne, registered physiotherapist. And as a competitive athlete myself, I've experienced how tough injuries can be mentally and physically. My own injuries from equestrian show jumping, mountain biking, and running taught me the best ways to bounce back stronger. In my practice, I use advanced treatments, targeted exercises, and manual therapy to help athletes fully recover. It's not just about getting back to sport, it's about coming back even stronger and smarter than ever. Don't let injuries sideline you any longer. Let's get you back in action and confidently doing what you love.